Subject Science, Term 2, Lesson 1, Food. In this lesson, we are going to learn about spoilage of food and food preservation methods, obesity and the method of calculations of BMI, Body Mass Index. Food. Our body needs nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates and fats for its proper functioning. We get these nutrients from the food we eat. If we do not take all these nutrients in right proportions, it results in some diseases. Through the spoiled food also we get diseases. So we need to preserve the food we eat. In this lesson, we will study about spoilage of foods and the ways to preserve them. Spoilage of food. Food items like fruits, vegetables, milk and meat will be fresh for very short period. These are called perishable foods and they get spoiled easily. Some food items like rice have long lifetime but they also decompose. The change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. So, spoilage of food means the change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. Spoiled food becomes unsuitable to eat. Eating spoiled food may cause diseases. Causes. Once the food items are harvested, they begin to decompose. Food can be spoiled by factors like air and oxygen, moisture, enzymes, microorganisms, light and temperatures. First one, air and oxygen. When oxygen reacts with the food contents, it produces changes in the color and flavor of the food. Next one, moisture. Moisture keeps the food fresh. When the moisture is gone, vegetables and fruits shrink due to evaporation. Moisture loss occurs in foods like meat, fish and cheese. Next one, enzymes. Enzymes break down the larger molecules of the food in different ways like oxidation, browning and ripening. So the food items decay. Microorganisms. Microorganisms such as fungi, yeast and bacteria can grow well in low temperatures. They multiply in food and spoil them. Next one, light. Light produces color changes and also vitamin loss. Finally, temperature. Temperature, sometimes rise in temperature causes food spoilage. Finally, effects. Spoiled foods are not suitable to eat. They may not be fresh and tasty. Sometimes it will be harmful to consume them. Microorganisms present in spoiled foods may cause foodborne diseases like stomach pain, fever, dysentery, vomiting and indigestions. Next topic, preservations of food. The process of keeping the food materials for a long time without being spoiled is called preservations of food. What is the meaning of preservations of food? The process of keeping the food materials for a long time without being spoiled is called preservations of food. Food preservations methods. Cultivations of food requires lot of efforts. Nowadays food cultivations and the crop yield are decreasing. So we need to protect and preserve the food. The following are the ways to preserve food. First one, drying method. It is the process of removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Example, grains, chilies. Next one, addition of salt. It is the method of adding salt to food to remove the water. Example, fish pickles. Addition of sugar. In this method, sugar is added to food. Sugar dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example, jam, fruit juices. Next one, freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Example, fruits, vegetables. Next one, boiling. Boiling is the microorganism present in the food materials. Example, milk, water. Canning. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so that germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder. Finally, addition of chemical preservatives. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. In this method, chemical preservatives method are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. Finally, irradiation method. Irradiation is the modern method in which food is exposed to gamma rays or ultraviolet rays to kill the bacteria and the fungi. It does not affect the taste of the food or nutritive value of the foods. Example, onion, potatoes. Purpose of food preservation. Food production has increased due to modern technologies. So, food should not be wasted by any means. Preservation of food is important for the following reasons. First one, to retain the color, taste and nutritive value of the food. Next one, to make food available throughout the year. Next one, to prevent the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in the food items. To reduce wastage of food items. Finally, preserving food not only protects our health but also makes food available to the people who need it. Next topic, obesity. Obesity and overweight are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulations in the body that may affect the health. Obesity is most commonly caused by excessive food intake, lack of physical activity and genetic reasons. When they eat more and work less, excess energy is accumulated as fat and creates problems. Obesity increases the chances of heart disease, diabetes and high blood pressure. Preventions. Obesity is mostly related to our lifestyle and habits. Eating healthy foods and having regular physical activity can reduce obesity and overweight. In order to avoid obesity and overweight, we need to do the following. Avoid fast foods, fried items and meat with more fat. Second one, eat fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains and nuts. Third one, do regular physical exercise. Fourth one, don't play games in computer and mobile phones. Finally, have adequate sleep. So, bad habits and unhealthy lifestyle leads to obesity. So, avoid that. Next one, body mass index. People are generally classified as obese and overweight based on body mass index. It's denoted BMI. Body mass index is obtained by dividing a person's weight in kilograms by the square of his height in meters. is height in meters. For example, BMI of a person with 60 kilogram weight and a height of 190 centimeter can be calculated as below. BMI is equal to weight in kilogram per height in meter square. So, if the BMI is over 30 kilogram per meter square, people are said to be obese. The range of 25 to 30 kilogram meter square denotes overweight. See that picture, it helps to find the BMI. So, below 18.5 denotes underweight. 18.5 to 24.9 denotes normal weight. 25 to 29.9 denotes overweight. Obese denote 30 to 34.9. Extremely obese denote 35 above 35 denoted extremely obese. So, what we learned from this lesson? Spoilage of food and their causes and effects. Next we learned about preservations of food, food preservations methods and their purpose of food preservations. Next we learn obesity and BMI calculations. BMI means body mass index calculations. Thank you.